Hey guys, welcome to part two of the Boost Challenge, or the second phase of the Boost Challenge. The next 5 weeks, we're going to focus on healthy habits. Obviously, we still want you to continue to move. Part of those healthy habits are just a culture of movement, whether that's exercise in the form of a WOD or an at-home WOD, or mobility or something like that. But this is going to be more food and stress and lifestyle types of stuff. So those are the things we're going to dig into. So this first week, we are going to be focusing on water. Hopefully, water is something that's part of your daily routine anyway. So hopefully, this won't be much of a challenge, but for some of you, it might be. Um, we want to encourage you to get 128 ounces per day for men. That's minimum. And then for ladies, 88 ounces per day, also minimum. If you're going to work out, you might be, especially if you're going to work out here in the box, it's really hot. You might want to consider more water than that. But if you're just kind of doing a normal day, not going outside, or you're kind of working from home, or you're working at the office, or just in general doing kind of general housework, or whatever is your normal day, then the 128 minimum would be perfectly fine. However, if you're going to be working out, especially if you're going to be working out outside, then you want to consider doing more than the 128. So water's super important. Next to oxygen, it's probably the second most important thing that that you need for just sustaining life. You can only go maybe 5 minutes without oxygen, then you start causing brain damage and then potentially death. For water, it's a couple of days. You could go, a week or so, probably more without food, but you will not last very long without water. So that's why water is important. Almost 75% of your body is water, and you need it for cell function, for everyday, just everyday functioning. Just water is like oil in your car. If your car doesn't have oil, it doesn't work very well. If your body doesn't have water, it doesn't work very well. So having water is super important. So how this will be tallied is on Sundays, and you'll want to go out to Sunday. You'll see that there will be a place where you put reps in, and so you're going to place in the number of days you did this habit. Okay, and what we're looking for in order for you to get points is that you do at least 75%. Okay, and 75% would be 5 out of 7 days. Right, so you should be really focused on this. Ideally, you'll get 7 out of 7, but we understand that sometimes life gets in the way. So we're shooting for 75%. I encourage you to go for 7, just because water is just that important, right? So, so again, what you might want to do is go out to next Sunday, not this coming Sunday, but Sunday. I believe that date would be like the 22nd, 23rd, something like that. Whatever that day is, I know it's the weekend of the 22nd, 23rd. Whatever that Sunday is, you'll see that there is it's replacing the well-being post that we typically have there for Sundays for the last 5 weeks. But you will be putting in your number of days, right? And just remember, it needs to be 5 in order for you to get that point. And of course, this is on the honor system, but I would encourage you to take this very seriously, because water is very serious to you as a human being. All right, guys. So good luck with the next 5 weeks of this. Keep working out. Keep doing things to make yourself strong and resilient. That's what the boost is for. And looking forward to seeing how this goes. I know that there is some pretty hot and heavy competition going on between some folks in this. Remember, you are winning basically virtually a home gym. We will also be having a drawing sometime at the end of this week or here pretty soon for another piece of equipment. So look forward to that, and we will talk to you soon.